Look at this. What is that? Look at that cat right there. I'm good.
We're gonna feed him.
Yeah.
Ele
tá aqui. Tá dormindo, mas ele tá respirando.
Aqui o leitinho pra ele.
Oh, acordou. He woke up.
Deixa aqui que ele vai vir.
You want to say something about the cat?
Meow.
Oh, meow? Okay. This is a real nice cat. What do you want to call him?
Not Frosty, that was the other one. Nice one.
Yeah. Stampy, Garfield, something like that.
Let's see.
Chama ele, Rafael. Vem cá, gatinho. Ele tá cansado, acho que ele quer dormir.
Sleepyhead.
Okay, we're
Don't
gonna
do
call
that,
him
don't do that.
Sleepy.
No.
What's up, Sleepy? Today I'm here with what's your YouTube channel called?
Bello.
Oh, okay.
I'm getting a good view of that.
We're gonna
side.
we're gonna throw this bread. Oh no, he's running! He's running!
No, leave it. Stay away from him. Stay away,
Oh,
stay
he's-
away. Come back. He'll come back. Come back.
Okay.
He's gonna try to go to Mickey's house, but he can't keep doing it. He can't jump. Let's go to the car. Come on. Come on. Don't do anything.
I don't know
Oh, frick, there's a freaking harness. He escaped.
He's right there.
Where?
You see it through the grass?
He's where?
The grass over there.
He escaped. He jumped over.
Yeah, he jumped over.
Hey, pull up, Fada.
Ah, foi embora?
Yep.
Então deixa ele depois ele
He'll come back.
Depois ele volta.
He will.
He'll come back later.
Bye, Mr. Cat. Sleepy or whatever your name is.
And his name is Mr.
What's his name?
His name is Mr. Caddy.
Mr. Caddy.
That mosquito.
My house is a zoo. What is this? Yo! I think those are two flies having sex. Why do I keep on saying things that have sex?
There's only one fly.
That's two. Those are three flies. They're having a threesome.
Kill it.
I'm not gonna.
I'm gonna throw water at it. I'm gonna throw water.
We gotta protect nature, bro.
I'm gonna throw.
We are cleaning this trampoline.
Throw it at the bugs.
Okay, so we're gonna throw water at the bugs. Oh yeah, it's dead.
That's dead.
They died having a threesome.
You wanna kill him with the lighter?
It's gonna burn the chair. I'm gonna throw a whale at it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it fell!
He's dead.
Oh, that's a bee.
That's a hornet. That's a wasp.
I mean, it's fuzzy. Fuzzy like a bee.
Yeah, that's probably a bee.
Yeah. Put down in the comments what you think that is.